Now, as well as dividing it, this bit top and bottom in half, I'm also going to divide it in half left and right. So from where the cross is, I need a vertical line going through the centre to divide it left and right as well. So through the centre of the cross, a vertical line dividing it left and right, yes? You can delete the crosses after you've done that, yes. So if I delete the crosses now, what I've got is the top half divided into 4 quarters. And of course it does look a bit funny because of the perspective. So the bit that is nearer you looks a lot bigger than the bit that is further away from you. And that is supposed to happen. So hopefully you've got the top half divided into 4 bits each side, and I'm going to divide those up further by putting another cross in each of those top bits. I've just realised this is probably easier if I just do it on the computer. So across there, across there, across there, and across there, and I'm going to divide it up further vertically with more crosses going through those middle bits. So 1, 2, 3 there, and then always through the center of the cross. 1 there, the one that's in the middle, and then through the center of the other cross. Yeah. I'm going to be rubbing out some of these black lines, so just keep the pencil but rub out the ones that you don't need as you go along. Are we with it?
Nope.
Okay, I'll pause this for a bit then. Okay, the whole point of this was to make 4 towers on the corners. I'm just going to rub out some things that I don't need. Don't write, just watch what I'm doing on the board now. So I don't really need these crosses anymore. I'll get rid of those. I'm not actually going to use those middle ones, so I'll get rid of those. And the lines that were with them. Yeah, if I rub something out, then you can rub it out. And then I'm going to make the tops just go to where the tops of those things are. Towers. So like there, and then the other side as well. And then I'm going to make a new line along the bottom where the top of the wall is, where there aren't any towers. So it's going to look like that with the four corners. And in fact, I'll get rid of some of the perspective lines that I don't need anymore as well. So that's what we're aiming for. Everything that's, well, not the lines at the back, because we're going to change the back a little bit, but everything that you can see at the front, you could now do with a pen. Sorry, what? You can do the front with a pen now, but we're going to do a little bit more work on the back before we're finished, so don't do the back with a pen yet. It would be a good idea to do it with a pen now, because that's going to stay like that. Okay, moving on, I'm now going to do some more perspective lines just to figure out how to complete this. So remember, just from the corners, everything has to go to the perspective lines. So one for that corner, one for that corner, one for that corner, and one for that corner, and also the bottom bits as well need to go to the perspective lines. So basically, if you take every corner at the top there and draw it to the appropriate perspective line, you should get a sort of grid at the top like that.